Automate the follow-up with your customers after you send a proposal, and you are 100 times more likely to land a sale. Today, I'm going to share with you a super simple automation which I made in Zapier, which means that every time we send a specific audit template proposal to our clients, 7 minutes after they've opened it for the first time, we send a follow-up email from my email address which says, hey, how you going with this? I want to make sure you've got it. You know, I wouldn't have suggested if it wasn't the right thing. Let me know if you want to chat about it. I'm around all day. It doesn't say we were tracking them. And all of this means that I can scale myself at the point where it is absolutely critical to the customer's psychology and more likely to turn into a sale without actually doing anything. So strap in, let me show you how it works. So let's start with the proposal. This proposal software is called Better Proposals. I'll put a link in the video if you're interested in it. It is 100% templated, and all it does is automatically change the name of the customer. Otherwise, for this type of product, which is an audit we offer, it is 100% template. It takes me 2 minutes to send to the client. Now, I'm going to show you, because this is a test send that I sent myself. Here you can see it came through, and when I click Read Proposal, it opens up here. What I love about Better Proposals is that it tells me in real time who opened it, when they opened it, and how much time they spent on each of the pages. This is the timer that we need in order to know how to hit the person at exactly 7 minutes with an email saying, hey, I was just following up. It seems coincidental. It's very strategic. So this is Zapier. If you're not using it, this or Make are basically the same. And what this is saying is, okay, in fact, we'll go into the configurations. In my account, track anytime someone opens a proposal. I only want this to apply when the word audit is mentioned in the pricing table, which would only be that template. I want you to wait 7 minutes. Then, using the email address of the person, I want you to find them in our CRM, close. Now, if you're not using a good sales CRM, I can highly recommend Close. I spent months researching them. Most CRMs are way over the top. They're like HubSpot or Salesforce. They are so powerful and way more than you need. Close is the single best sales-only CRM that I've found, not only for doing this and tracking all my communication, but also setting my day up. So these are the 3 people I need to get back to or follow. I've got templates set up in there. If you're interested, I'll put the link down below. Check them out. They're really cool. And for solo entrepreneurs, it's like $7 a month or something. It's so cheap. So it finds them in Close, and then it sends the template that I've already made in Close. That's right. So let's go back to, let's pretend I was manually emailing them. Even if I didn't do this, it's stupid cheap and easy because I just click on that and it's pre-populated, and I do an automatic follow-up. And so one thing I love about Close, I'll see if I can zoom in for you, is that now if they don't respond before say the 25th, then it's automatically going to set me a reminder up here so that I get in touch with them. Awesome. If they do respond by email, great. It just stops that timer, stops that action. And that's all automatically set through my Zapier integration. So the goal of today's video is simple. I want you to think about systems when you're thinking about sales and marketing. If things are relying on a single person taking a single action at a single time, it is going to break. If you can set up really smart, really simple automations like this, you're going to know you're hitting your customer at the right time with the right message. And the data is extraordinarily clear. If you get back to someone within 7 minutes of them inquiring or thinking about you, you are 100 times more likely to generate a sale. Not 100%, 100 times. So my friends, if you'd like a system like this, you'd like any advice, go to jmarketing.agency, drop me a message, or Connect with me via LinkedIn. My name's Joshua Strukczynski, and I look forward to the next time. Cheers.